Welcome back to our Christmas meal series. Today we're preparing party snacks and drinks that are perfect for any Christmas gathering, with both traditional and allergy-friendly options. We're talking about food so good, it'll make you want to sing Christmas carols in July. None of that frozen rubbish. We're going for bold flavours and simple techniques that will leave your guests gobsmacked. Get those aprons on and let's get this Christmas party started. Listen up, you donkeys. Cheese boards are a Christmas staple, but that doesn't mean you serve up a plate of sadness. We're talking a selection of quality cheeses. Sharp, creamy, something with a bit of bite. Don't forget the crackers. Variety is key here. And for God's sake, add some fruit for a touch of sweetness. This is a cheese board that'll make you want to dance a jig. Forget those soggy, greasy excuses for sausage rolls. We're making proper sausage rolls, flaky, buttery pastry encasing juicy, flavourful sausage meat. Get those ovens fired up, because these babies are best served piping hot. One bite and your guests will be begging for more. It's bloody freezing outside, so let's warm things up with a proper mulled wine. None of that weak, tasteless stuff. We're talking about a rich spice concoction that'll knock your Christmas stockings off. Cinnamon, cloves, star anise. All the good stuff to get you in the festive spirit. Vegan sausage rolls. Don't be scared. Now, don't get your tinsel in a twist. Just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's rubbish. We're using plant-based sausage meat that's packed with flavour, wrapped in that same glorious puff pastry. Even the meat eaters will be fighting over these. Dairy-free cheese, you beauty. Attention all you lactose-intolerant lot. This one's for you. We're ditching the dairy but keeping all the flavour with a selection of top-notch dairy-free cheeses. Cashew cheese, almond cheese. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget the gluten-free crackers and fresh fruit for a platter that's inclusive and delicious. Alcohol-free mulled cider. It's delicious. Listen, not everyone fancies a boozy Christmas, and that's alright. This mulled cider is bursting with festive flavours. Cinnamon, cloves, a hint of orange. It's warming, inviting, and won't leave you with a banging headache in the morning. Christmas feast sorted. That's a wrap for today's party snacks and drinks. No matter your guests' preferences, these options will keep everyone satisfied. Remember, we're aiming for Christmas dinner nirvana here, people. Food's so good, it'll make you want to kiss the cook. See you next time for more festive fun.